Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. What is the theme of World Heart Day 2023? Option A, use heart, no heart. Option B, prevent heart diseases. Option C, exercise daily. Option D, healthy food habits. Correct answer, use heart, no heart. Notes: World Heart Day is an annual event observed every year on 29 September. The day is celebrated by organizing various events globally to raise awareness about the heart disease and its preventive measures to manage the cardiovascular diseases. This year, the theme of the World Heart Day is Use Heart, No Heart. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which major economy announced to hike its defense spending by 70 in 2024? Option A, USA. Option B, Germany. Option C, Canada. Option D, Russia. Correct answer D, Russia. Notes: Russia is set to hike defense spending by almost 70% in 2024, its finance ministry document published showed. The document said defense spending was set to jump by over 68% year-on-year to almost 10.8 trillion rubles, $111.15 billion, totaling around 6% of GDP. Russia has been pouring resources into its full-scale offensive in Ukraine. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Which country hosted the UN Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime Ministerial Conference? Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Italy. Option D, USA. Correct answer C, Italy. Notes: recently, a 2-day UN Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime Ministerial Conference was held at Palermo in Italy. It is organized by the Government of Italy and United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes UNODC Secretariat. Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai attended the conference to mark the 20th anniversary of United Nations Convention Against Transnational Organized Crimes UNODC. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency is a public sector enterprise under which Union Ministry? Option A, Ministry of Power. Option B, Ministry of New Renewable Energy. Option C, Ministry of Science and Technology. Option D, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer B, Ministry of New Renewable Energy. Notes: recently, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited IREDA, India's largest specialized green finance non-banking finance company, has received an upgrade from the Schedule B category to the prestigious Schedule A category among central public sector enterprises. This elevation in status was formally enacted through an office memorandum issued by the Department of Public Enterprises, Ministry of Finance. The Ministry of New Renewable Energy has officially confirmed this upgrade. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Squaw Valley, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? UT. Option A, Ladakh. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Sikkim. Correct answer, Ladakh. Notes: the Ministry of Home Affairs has opened 2 more border tourist destinations, Marsimikla and Squaw Valley, for tourists visiting Ladakh. The previously restricted areas were close to the strategic Changchenmo sector north of Pangong Lake in Ladakh. Tourists are allowed to trek through this high-altitude valley.